Welcome back to the channel, guys. We finally got those yellow bananas off the front of the car. You guys asked for it, I did it, and I think it was a wise choice. I mean, it was definitely holding some dirt behind there, and as we know, anything that holds dirt behind something can cause a lot of damage. Sort of like the fender flares on the Beast that we had to wet sand all the fenders a while back because of those bushwhacker fender flares. I haven't given up, guys. I have not given up. Don't mind me. Allergies are off the hook here in southeastern Pennsylvania. They're crazy right now. But I made some phone calls last week about getting this expelled. So basically I put a layer of expel film all the way around the fender. So where the fender flare would meet the body of the truck, it would be protected so we didn't get, you know, those lines like we had before Motorama where it actually scratched into the paint that bad we had to wet sand all the fenders. So, well, the quote I got, because they said it's a completely custom job because it's not a pre-cut type deal, $1,000 for all 4 fenders. I'm not doing that, so I'm working up another solution. I'm probably going to be doing a video very soon on that. I'm going to get some 3M protective film. I'm probably going to get about 4 inches out. I'm going to lay it here on the truck, you know, doing the correct method after doing my YouTube research. I'm going to run it all the way from top to bottom, put the flare on, get what do they call those things? Really sharp knife, not a razor knife, but what they use in a hospital. I forget what they call it. Scalpel? Yeah, scalpel. Get a scalpel blade and just run it along the top of the flare and cut the excess off. And we're going to do it to all 4 fenders. Because as you guys know, we got a trip planned pretty soon. Well, you don't know, but we always do this. Every June we go to Ocean City, Maryland, Assateague Island. We take the Beast down. One year we went down, we got a little hassled about this, and well, I don't want to have any issues. So I'm also tired of beating up the side of the truck. Honestly, haven't driven the truck just because of that reason, because literally you take it down the road for, you know, a mile or two. If the road's wet, your truck's destroyed. So we don't want to do that anymore. And guys, let me know how this mic's doing. I went with the Rode Micro mic because I was experiencing issues with the other mic. Every time I would move the camera or bounce it around, it was like hitting. It was bouncing up and down and hitting, and that was causing a audio issue. Well, at least it bothered me a little bit. I don't think, no one ever mentioned anything, so I don't think it was bothering you guys, but you know, if I could do something better to benefit the channel, why not, right? But today we are going to Diesels and Donuts back at Dirty Diesels. And I think Heather's actually coming with. Last night the girls and I went out and got her Mother's Day gift. If you guys are watching this video, this is probably 2 days delayed from Mother's Day. So we're gonna actually give that to her on this video so you guys will get to see that. Debating on, I mean, the truck's pretty clean. I haven't really driven it like in 2 weeks. I'm debating on just doing a wipe down on it. Although it is kind of full of crap. It's been raining here like every single day here in Pennsylvania. I mean, it's so annoying. Today's gonna be beautiful. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll hose it down and then wipe it down. I don't know. But we'll do a cold start. Oh, I missed that sound. It's been too long. I need to start driving the Beast again. I mean, I love having the choice of 3 vehicles. I love having the Charger. And by the way, this Charger gets outstanding fuel mileage. I'm very impressed. We're averaging like 19 miles per gallon. That's insane. Belle, we'll be doing some videos again with Belle. I know we've been giving Belle a lot of love lately because, well, I sort of feel bad for beating her up, jacking up her booty. But we got to get back to the Beast. And we'll be doing some beach content with the Beast here very soon. Looking forward to that. I want to thank you for all the comments on the last video in regards to Belle and the backup park sense. I had no idea if you click off the sensor button, it would shut off the park sense as well. So we didn't test it out, but we're going to test that out. If that's the fact, we're going to reactivate that because it's a really good feature, just not good if you're going up a steep driveway every day. Got the truck all cleaned up. Wiped her down. She's all set for diesels and donuts and dirty diesels. Got the bananas off. Look at all the dirt in there. You guys weren't lying, man. Good call. Always on point. Our subscribers. I took the bananas off.
I like it so much better.
Yeah.
They were dirty under there.
Yeah. And just think. Similar to the flares on the Beast.
Yeah, that would have.
That would have definitely started scratching the paint if it hasn't already.
Guess I would not have liked that.
Yep. And I told the subscribers that we're going to come up with an option that people can fix the fender flare issue at home. Oh. Because $1,000 for Expel.
Oh.
That's not affordable. When I started researching, I was looking for like a quick, reasonable solution to fix that problem. And I was thinking maybe if they had my truck, they could do some test fitting and do measurements so they can do a pre-cut and anyone could do it at home themselves. I guess I was wrong. So I want to try to come up with a simple solution that you guys can do at home. Remember, it's going to be covered up by the flare, so it doesn't have to be perfect. The hardest part is going to be lining the top of the flare with the protective film as you're putting it around. But I have an idea. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Anthony.
Our little engineer, my godson.
Oh yeah? Yeah. This is more, I mean, he probably could, but it's not doing, it's not technical enough for him, I would say. Oh, okay. You physically have to put the flare up and do a line, but I have an idea. Okay. He's too smart for this.
You know what that says about him, right?
You know what I'm saying is that I want to make it easy so you guys can do this at home. I don't want you to have an engineer to put fender flares on your truck. That's what that's the point that I'm trying.
Engineer the idea, the prototype, and then the easy regular man could then do it.
So he would
engineer something.
So he would put it in production and sell it to people?
Yeah. But we would get a cut.
How soon would that happen?
He graduates in a year.
Come on now. People need to fix their trucks now. I'm trying to find a solution so they can get it done.
All right, well, the backup man, he got you covered.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you covered. I've had everyone covered from day one. And they also know from my mistakes that I've made. Yes, backing up a 2019 Ram in the dark is sketchy. We've all learned that. But I should have been looking in the mirrors probably better.
Did the,
we start.
Did the other little...
This is never gonna end. This crash with Bell is never going to end, is it, guys?
And you wanted a trophy of it. You wanted the old tailgate hung up.
I thought it'd be kind of cool, but I'm glad we didn't do it. Because, gosh, it comes up every video. They're probably tired of hearing it.
They're not.
All right, guys, we'll see you over at Dirty Diesels. Mrs. and I are posted up at Dirty Diesels for diesels and donuts. Yeah. Hi, Josh.
Hey.
Look at this stuff,
hey, buddy.
Man. This thing is ridiculous. I love those freaking wheels. Got Aaron's Beast here. But look at these wheels. This thing's sick. What's the setup on this?
It's a Carly 4.5-inch commuter kit and 26 by 14 rotiforms with 37 1350 Furies.
That's ridiculous.
He's gonna like it. It's nice.
I think he's definitely gonna like it.
He'll like it. Rub's
for sure.
Bad, but...
Is it rubbing?
Yeah, it rubs. Yeah, we're waiting for a bumper spacer to get here.
I like the amount of lift.
It's 4.5, yeah.
And that's brushed.
Yeah, they're brushed
coated
with a double dark tint.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's really good.
We're back from Dirty Diesels. I don't film too much in those types of situations because I like to spend time, hang out with the guys. I haven't seen Josh and Aaron for a while, and it was nice to catch up with them. So I really didn't film a whole lot. Heddy, did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun. Oh,
it's good times, man. You can't go wrong with donuts, coffee, and big trucks.
And it's not at 6 a.m. because you can go wrong with that.
Yeah, you can go wrong at 6 a.m.
I don't care how many donuts and coffees you got. 10 o'clock I can handle though.
We're gonna hop in the house and give Heather her Mother's Day present right now, and then we're gonna take her to lunch. So
I don't know what I'm hungry for.
a day early, guys, because Kendall has to go back to her mom. So we're gonna celebrate Mother's Day today. And she is an awesome mom.
No, thank you.
She is.
I try.
She's a great mom. She's a great wife. She puts up with me and a whole lot. Well, you know, trucks, cars, beasts, diesels.
Backing in other
Hemis.
cars.
Stop! See, here we go again. And I must say, it's nice to get the beast back out today. It's nice.
Yes.
And we're not done. We're not done. We're gonna use the beast all day today. Hey, look at his bananas.
Hi.
Oh, you brought a friend.
I did bring a friend.
Hey, Maisie. Oh, the girls have something for you.
Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Aw. You love yourself some Mickey and Minnie, don't we?
I think Grandma's out too.
Oh man. Okay.
Okay. Should we do a drum roll? Do a drum roll.
Oh man.
What'd you get?
I got a new watch.
So a little history, guys. Heather broke her watch like, what, 2-3 weeks ago?
Yeah, man.
And she's been lost it without it. I also got Apple Care, so you can actually break this one a couple times if you want. 2 times you're allowed to break it.
It's rose gold. My gosh, they've changed so much since the last time.
Yeah, this is the newest version. So we got you the newest version, and we got Apple Care for 2 years. So you're safe for 2 years, Heather.
Oh man.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
There's more stuff in the bag.
Oh, is there?
Oh yeah.
My gosh.
Back to tracking her activity.
I know. I can. When I run now, I'm gonna know how far I went.
I broke mine.
Oh,
I picked the Swedish fish out.
my favorites.
And then Kendall picked the
I'm all about caramel,
But
and I don't have to
she
worry about.
But she got 2 bags and I only got 1.
Very cool. Swedish fish and caramels, they're my absolute favorite. Gummies and caramels. You can't go wrong with gummies and caramels.
We were gonna get you Twizzlers, but
I do like Twizzlers, but we just have 3 boxes or 3 bags
Yeah.
of Twizzlers.
we were gonna get the watermelon, but then I pointed it out that
We had them, yeah.
Where's Macy's?
Here, you want some?
No, she can't have that.
Aw, thank you so much, guys.
Oh, you're
Thank
so
you.
welcome. You
Why don't you
deserve
give me
it.
a kiss?
I know you would use this all
Yeah,
the
I
time,
need to
every
charge
day, and
this.
you missed your watch, so.
I did. I've been
Yeah.
running and,
Yep.
well, it's
Now you can-
almost like,
Now you can track your activity again.
all right. Thank you so much, guys. I really do love this.
All right, guys, practicing what I preach. Amsoil all-in-one. It's very loud here at Waffle. Yep, very loud, very loud. And I thought I had a funnel in my truck because you guys all told me to use a funnel. I can't find my funnel. About once a month when I was driving this truck consistently, I would put one of these in, a full tank of diesel. I almost said gas, diesel. I think I dumped half it on the ground. But get your Amsoil diesel all-in-one from bsynthetics.com. Where are we going to lunch?
Piccola? 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 Piccola?
For some Italian
For
food?
some Italian food.
So that's what you picked for lunch?
Yeah.
Dude, where the hell? I wonder if I took it out of here at one point. You guys definitely want to use a funnel when you are putting your Amsoil diesel on one. All right, let's go get some grub.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I attempted to film the outro on Mother's Day, but unfortunately it downpoured all day long, nonstop. I even washed all the cars, with the exception of Belle, but they're destroyed. Today is Monday, and
you
it's...
hear that? He washed all the cars except for mine.
Well, because it's, you know, it takes a while to wash the cars, but...
So unfortunately, the outro had to be postponed to today, where it's still raining, and that's why we're indoors. And my hair looks like this.
It's beautiful.
I hope all you mothers had a great Mother's Day.
Yes, shout out to all the awesome mothers out there, and shout out to all my fellow home front warriors for Police Memorial Week. Just to go back to Dirty Diesels, that truck with the big wheels. You know, that's everyone's entitled to their style. If that's their thing, that's their thing. It may not necessarily be my thing, but
yeah, you don't judge. You give that vibe.
Yeah. I mean, if I had a show truck and my truck wasn't driven every day, I probably would have. I would consider doing that type of setup. I mean, it looks cool. It looks really cool. But for practicality purposes, as a daily driver, it's not my thing. And going off road, I would destroy those wheels. So, not my thing, but could be other people's thing. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next. We love you guys. We'll. What?
My beauty must be distracting you.
We love you guys. We'll see you in the next upload.